morning, everybody. Today's video finds us over here on Koh Samet, or Samet Island. They say it both ways. Anyway, we're going to take a morning beach walk. I haven't done one of these in a little while. Came over here to the island to enjoy the ocean and the beach. So let's look around here. Let's watch a little bit of the sunrise that's happening right behind me. We're on Wong Duean Beach. So let's see what it looks like today. This is the beach this morning. It's pretty sleepy. So we'll walk around here. This is a nice little bay. Has quite a bit of nice, beautiful white sand with some turquoise water. It's quite popular. It's not the most popular beach on the island. That's to the north. But this one here is still really, really popular. Yeah, that was a pretty nice sunrise. Nice to see the oranges and everything on the ocean. Let's walk around here and let's see what the beach looks like this morning. It's just starting to wake up. We have the Wong Duean resort here. Yeah, there's about half a dozen or so little resorts on this beach. A couple of restaurants. At night it's quite nice. There's a lot of stuff to do here. Most of the nightlife is to the north at Sai Kaew, the white sand beach. But there's still quite a bit going on here at night. We're actually staying on this beach. I've never stayed here at this beach. I've always stayed a little bit north over towards like Tub Tim. But this was nice enough. It's a little further away from the pier, but nothing's too far away on this island. The island is only 7 kilometers long, and at the top, it's kind of shaped like a kite. At the top, it's 2.5 kilometers wide. You can rent a little motorcycle. Their motorcycle prices are actually quite expensive on this island. They're 400 baht a day. Most of the islands are 200, 250. But they all have gotten together and they've raised the prices up to 400 baht. And this is a holiday weekend, so there's a lot of people here. We actually had to look around quite a bit to find a motorcycle because they were all rented out. People coming out to get the morning sun in. Yeah, I'm not sure how long this beach is. It's about maybe 500 meters long or so. And then there's a little cape right over there, and there's more beaches all along. There are a total of 14 beaches on this island, 14 main beaches. And some of them really are just the same beach, but they have like some rocks in between them. So you walk like 10 meters through some rocks and you're on the next beach over. That's how it is up in the north at Sai Kaew, all the way down to Tub Tim. They're all pretty much the same beach. The water here is just absolutely perfect. Has this nice white sand, and the water is just amazing. This is only like an hour away from Pattaya, so it's pretty popular for people from Pattaya to come over. The beaches here are much nicer than, in my mind, than the ones over by Pattaya. Even nicer than Koh Samet, which is the island right there by Pattaya. Plus, it's not near as crowded as that island. So here we are over at the end of the beach. So we have a little resort here. You can see it has the tree swing and has a pool up there. And some nice trees. If you used to stay here, this is what to expect. Looks like they've done a lot of recent remodeling over here with the concrete and stuff. Yeah, they have that closed off, so this looks like it's gonna be like the restaurant and stuff over here. And this is looking back over towards the beach. Yeah, this is quite nice. Let's walk back towards the other end of the beach and see what we see. Now, getting over here to Koh Samet is not too difficult. You can take a van or the minibus from Ekimai in Bangkok, or you can go to the Mochit van terminal. That's what I did. Mochit is near my home. So I jumped on a van. It was $460 round trip, or 460 baht round trip. So 230 baht one way. And that gets you to the pier here. And then the ferry was 110 baht each way. So 220 baht round trip. It was the slow boat. So it took about 45 minutes or so, which wasn't no problem. You're coming to the island, no need to be in a hurry. They have the speedboats. The speedboats are like 500 baht or something like that. And they take 15 minutes. I kind of like to just relax and ride on the ferry over here. No need to rush to get to the island because you're not going to be in a hurry once you're here anyway. But to each their own. If they don't want to be on the boat that long, they can jump on the ferry, this high-speed ferry. Taking some pictures and stuff out here. And there are a lot of dogs on this beach. They're running around, but they're not as territorial as some I've seen. Some you're kind of worried about getting bit. You see the sun's up proper now. So here you have the national park. So you can take the speedboats that'll bring you right here to this beach. And then when you come, they'll charge you the 200 baht for a foreigner fee. Now what they're doing that's new this time is they charge a service fee. So if you're a foreigner, they charge you the national park fee, plus they charge you a foreigner fee or a service fee. So she's doing her photos here. She's got her equipment set up. So they charge you a service fee to walk off the boat and walk up to the window to pay money. It is what it is. If you want to come to a place like this, they're always looking for a way to make some money. The Thais, they don't have to pay the service fee. They pay like 20 baht for the national park. So it's 10 times as much for a foreigner to come here. There's a lot of dual pricing at places like this for non-Thais and Thais. So here's La Lune, their restaurant. So this will be lit up at night. And last night they were playing loud music from over here till about 10:30 or so, and then the music stopped. This is kind of a nice little place. Yeah, by van it took about 3.5 hours or so to get from Bangkok to the ferry. And then took another 45 minutes to get over here by ferry. She's doing her little dance. There's people out swimming already. Looks like here they have some barbecue. This is Tom's Pizza over here. And then this is I think the Green Village. And a few more here. You can see we'll be to the end of the beach here pretty quick. Yeah, I love getting up in the morning and doing these little beach walks. I haven't done one in quite a while. Whenever I go somewhere, I like to do that. I like to get out here on the beach before everybody. Start my day walking on the beach with the waves crashing around. I really like it. I'm not sure the name of this place here. But like I said, there's probably half a dozen or to 10 places kind of shoehorned here in this little cove. You can see the sun up. Little boy digging in the sand. And they have a little 108 shop. There are 3 7-Elevens on this island. They're all in the main part. One of them is right off the ferry pier, and then 2 are in the main part of Sai Kaew. That's where most of the hotels and stuff are at. And there's 2 7-Elevens that are right across the street from each other. And that's where most people spend their time, is up there. The majority of the restaurants and hotels are there on that beach. They have the fire shows, they have all the normal stuff. And this looks like the last little hotel here. Getting the day ready, the workers out here. This resort here is the Samet Cabana Resort. There's the little bungalows with the thatch roof. You can see the water tanks back there. Now this island is right on the ocean, but they actually have a water shortage on it. They'll haul water in on these boats. There's one huge water storage inland. They try to collect all the rainwater that they can, but it is really, really dry most of the year. And then this looks back towards the beach. You can see the rocks and stuff, and then the rest of the resort up in here. That's gonna finish up our morning beach walk over here at Wong Duean Beach. This is a nice enough beach. It's the beach is fantastic. I mean, the sand is nice, the water is nice. It is kind of a little bit crowded for like an island, what you think here at Koh Samet. You want to come to Koh Samet to kind of get away from the crowds. You know, if you want to see the crowds, go over to Pattaya Beach or Koh Lan or Koh Samui or whatever. But this is kind of a relatively quiet island. This is a little congested here, the same as Sai Kaew will be kind of busy, but most of these beaches are pretty quiet. They're small, but they're usually just some white sand and you can walk around and have a good day. So anyway, I like getting out here. I like to stretch the legs, get the blood pumping before the day starts. So, and I like to talk a little bit about what you see and everything here. So anyway, if you like the video, smash like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you've been here, leave me a comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll do my best to answer them. And from over here at Koh Samet, remember, life is a journey. So until next time, enjoy.